Unruffled, staying calm in the English language. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and useful English phrase, unruffled. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it in sentences, and you'll be able to add this fantastic expression to your English vocabulary arsenal. So, let's get started. Unruffled is an adjective that describes a person's calm and composed state, especially in situations that are potentially stressful or chaotic. When someone remains unruffled, they are not easily upset or disturbed, and they maintain a peaceful demeanor. Here's an example to help you understand better. Even when the meeting turned heated, Sarah remained unruffled and handled the situation gracefully. In this sentence, unruffled is used to describe Sarah's calm and composed reaction during a tense situation. The word unruffled has its roots in the late Middle English period. It is derived from the word ruffle, which means to disarrange or disturb the smooth surface or state of something. When you add the prefix un, it negates the meaning, resulting in unruffled, which means not disturbed or disarranged. Understanding the origin of the word can help you remember its meaning and use it accurately in different contexts. Now that we know what unruffled means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. Here are a few examples. Despite the chaos around him, the firefighter remained unruffled and focused on saving lives. Her unruffled demeanor during the job interview left a great impression on the employers. In these sentences, unruffled is used to highlight the individual's ability to stay calm and composed, despite challenging situations. And that brings us to the end of our video on the phrase, unruffled. Remember, being able to stay unruffled in stressful situations is a great skill. And now, you can talk about it in English. We hope you found this video helpful and that it has added a valuable word to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using unruffled in your own sentences to get comfortable with it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. Thanks for watching, and stay unruffled.